Visit UGBS Deutsch. Click on Graduate. Click on How to Apply. Click on Ghanaian Applicants. After that, enter your serial number and PIN. Now click on Login. Get started by filling out the form. Click on Save and Continue. Following that, enter your surname. Then your first name. Continue to provide your personal information. Next, enter your address details by beginning with your address line name. Enter your box number. Now a city town. Enter your Ghana card number if available. Enter your street address for courier services. After that, enter your mobile phone number for SMS notifications. Then provide your email address. Afterwards, head towards providing your next of kin name. Enter your emergency contact. Type their address. Then provide the active telephone number. After, enter your past-present employment information. Provide the employer's name. Afterwards, the employer's address. Then a telephone number. Next, provide your job position, following your responsibilities in the company. Click on Save and Continue. Afterwards, provide details about your attended school. Enter your previous student ID number. Enter your FGPA or equivalent. Click on Save and Continue. Now fill in the program you wish to offer at the university. Click on Save and Continue. Then provide details to the field area of specification. Next, state the area of research. After, provide a title of research you may seek to pursue at the end of your degree. NB. You will still have the option to change your topic in the future. Provide an average monthly wage. Enter your career objectives. Then click on Save and Continue. After that, click on AD New Referee. After, provide the name of referee. Enter the institution of referee, their position. After, provide the contact details. Enter referee's email, then department. Next, click on Add Referee. Following that, click on Continue NB. Provide at least 2. Afterwards, click on ADD Supporting Documents. Click on Choose Document. Next up, click on Upload Document. Click on Add More Document. Once that's done, click on ADD Supporting Documents. After, click on Choose Document. After, click on Upload Document. Then click on Continue. Upload a passport picture. Click on Next. Review your application before submitting.